Welcome to Blogging Mantra YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you how to get free traffic from Google Search Console. This is the secret tips to getting traffic from Google Search Console. Step by step, I will explain you how I am getting traffic from Google Search Console. Using Google Search Console, you can find the lots of secret tips to grow your post or website. So how I am getting traffic last I think February month to right now. So my average position is 8. Okay, so how and what I am doing to getting traffic from Google. So step by step I will explain you each and every secret tips. And before starting this video, I will just tell you I have just started one of my Udemy course in Udemy website, The Secrets of Blogging. Do just go to link and enroll this course. It's absolutely free, but after 100 student it's not a free. So if you get this course link and it's payable, just 500 just pay and lifetime you can access. And there is a two course, one is English version, this is English version, okay, and this is the Hindi version. Both the course are same, but video are different. So do enroll every course I have published. And in this course I have just put secret tips of increase website traffic, secret tips of rank your website blog Google's first page, secret tips to optimize your website for Google search to drive a consistent stream of free traffic and detail. So after this video you can just enroll this course, it's free. I will provide link to get enroll, and I have provide one coupon code, so you can put that coupon code or just link that URL, just click that URL to get it free. If not free, just pay 500 rupees, it's not a big amount. Okay, so just going to my Google Search Console, and this is my one of website Google Search Console, and you will find here my average position is 8. Okay, so in this point you will get a impression is 62677 and click 277. If your impression is more, click also more, or user also drive your website. So just go to page. Here you can find which URL is rank. Okay, this URL is ranking position is 7.6 average position. Okay, and most recent you will click here and go to your most recent page. Okay, so you will find here the average position of this page is now, just a minute, I will just click here. Right now my average position is same 7.9. okay, so this URL is not down. If someone is find suddenly your website is down, so just go to your search console and find out which URL is down. If this URL is down, just click here and go to query, and here you can find a list of keyword which URL is going to rank. If some keyword is ranking in particular URL and someone is make some good post in that URL, definitely your post will be down. So just go to here and find the impression. If the impression is coming and click is less, impression is more than click is only 1, so just go to that keyword, just copy that keyword and go to that post, and this post just go to open that post and edit that post, and here you can make one paragraph with this keyword. Okay, just go to here and write some paragraph about that keyword. 9x movie city. Okay, just go to Google, search that keyword, and find here the list of website is written that keyword, and here you can just open that URL and find good article and rename this article is good, I think. Just copy that URL, copy that content, and here you can go and paste it, and you can make it unique. Don't put directly copy and paste, just put it and make it unique. So how to make it's unique? 9x movie, 9xmovie.in, just remove that. Okay, download latest Bollywood, Hollywood, Hindi movie. 9x is the movie pirating site, and right here and make it unique, and it's one of the best movie site 2021. That's all. You can download movie from 9x and even watch online free. Here is the collection of more than 1000 of latest. Yeah, here you can write Hollywood and Bollywood movie. Okay, this is I have made unique. Okay, just remove that. Okay, so I have included that keyword in my particular article, which is getting 1 click and 732 impression. Okay, just go to that keyword and search in Google, and you can find your website here. This is my average position is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 position I am getting from this keyword. Okay, so if you write that keywords article, then it will be getting more traffic from that keyword. So suddenly you will find sometime your website is down, not getting traffic from Google. So this is the secret tips to get more traffic from Google. So this is my idea in detail. You can find in my course Udemy, the secret of blogging. So here you can find the latest and in depth knowledge and secret tips of increase of website traffic, and I will put every week one secret tips in this course. So do enroll this course. It's right now it's free, but if you click that after 1 month, then it's not free. So just go and enroll now. Thank you for watching, and if this video is valuable for you, just like that video, and thank you for watching.